Hello, uncivil law fans, and welcome back. This is episode number 50 of our ongoing Capitol Riot series, today in the form of Aaron James Mayur. I'm going to go with. That's how we're going to pronounce this last name, Mayur. So today we're going to learn about the exploits and days of Aaron James Mayur and figure out how he participated in. Let's get started with this story. So we pick up, as always, on January the 6th of 2021. A complainant submitted a tip to the FBI's National Threat Operations Center regarding Aaron James Mayur. The complainant stated that on January the 6th of 2021, Mayur posted on Facebook photographs and video footage of himself inside the United States Capitol building. You know, it's the greatest intelligence tool of our times. It's the greatest intelligence tool of our times. How will we find them? However will we find them? From their own social media photos, from their day at the Capitol, which we documented and put it on our own Facebook page under our name. It will never stop being amusing. It will never be amusing. And those photographs and those Facebook pages will be immortalized as court exhibits on records, you know? So, hey, everyone gets to read about your day. And it gets to be memorialized here on this wonderful YouTube channel. So many ways for everyone to memorialize their day. Today, we're going to memorialize the day of Aaron James Mayur. We're going to memorialize his day. That's fun. On January the 11th of 2021, the complainant was interviewed. Yes, FBI, I'd like to talk to you very, very much. The complainant stated that the Facebook photographs and video footage were posted on Mayur's Facebook account at Facebook/AKman2469. The complainant was a Facebook friend with one of Mayur's Facebook friends. Friend of a friend of a friend or something like that. The complainant provided the Facebook photographs and video footage of Mayur in the United States Capitol building. The Facebook video depicted Mayur recording himself inside the United States Capitol. Yeah, we got a nice little picture of him videoing his day. I wish the FBI would give these to us in a little bit bigger resolution, because usually I make the thumbnail using the stuff that's in the complaint. So here's my complaint about the complaint. Use larger source images so that when I stretch them out, it don't look bad. A secondary complainant submitted a tip to the FBI National Terrorist Center with a video posted on Facebook by Mayur. The video was posted to Mayur's Facebook account as well as to the Facebook account Save Anchorage. He's very serious about the Anchorage. The video does not depict Mayur. However, the video recording was from inside the Capitol building. So it was pasted on his Facebook account, but somehow he didn't get himself into that footage. Very sad. And then we have some additional footage that he took during his day. A Department of Motor Vehicles query reveals the driver's license photograph belongs to Mayur, who is a resident of Alaska. And that is the reason that primarily we are doing this story, because we have been waiting for this one for a while, right? We were waiting for this because we thought this would be the hardest state to get. We got Hawaii a long time ago. And we got the guy Baked Alaska. I think, yeah, his name is Baked Alaska, right? I'm not making that up. But unfortunately, he was a resident of Arizona. So we got credit for Arizona. So break out your maps, friends. Break out your maps. We finally got it. We finally got the great states of Alaska. You can mark it off on your maps. He is a resident of Anchorage, Alaska, which he'd very much like to save. From what, I'm not sure, incidentally. But he'd like to save it from something. And you can go ahead and mark Alaska off on your map. And I'm going to just go ahead and share the map with our update right now because of how pretty it is. All the beautiful colors of our great nation, and Alaska, which always gets unfairly smushed onto the corner of the page, is there in its gold. How nice. How very, very nice. So now we've got Alaska, and now our hopes for finishing the map grow ever tighter. I think what I'm going to do for the next several videos is I'm just going to find one from every state that we don't have so far so that we can finish our map. Because now that we have Alaska, I feel like we have hope. So yeah, we got Alaska, we got Hawaii, you know. So I figure, you know, hey, we'll get the rest soon enough. We'll get them all. Fantastic. Let's press on. The FBI determined that his driver's license photograph appears consistent with his Facebook photographs and video footage provided by the various complainants. On February the 16th of 2021, FBI obtained records from a telecommunications provider revealing that a cellular phone number, which ends in 6505, belongs to Mayur as a subscriber since November 25th, 2015. Moreover, the FBI obtained information from Facebook revealing that the subscriber associated with the aforementioned account was in fact Mayur. In addition, the telephone number above was connected to his account. So we were able to subpoena some records. We got his phone number. His phone number is attached to his Facebook page, which depicts him. All different ways of cross-verifying it, right? All sorts of cross-verification. Super fun. Based on the foregoing, we believe that he's not done that much fun stuff. We believe that he entered the building and that he paraded about. So it's a very, very short story, but we didn't really come to it because of the particular aspects of the tea. We came to it because we finally got Alaska marked off our map. So I will just give you the ones that we're going to be looking for. So in the next several videos, here are states that you will be hearing about because we don't have them so far. Oregon, Nevada, Idaho, Wyoming, New Mexico, Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, South Dakota, North Dakota. The plain states are sadly underrepresented in this. Minnesota, Iowa, Missouri, Louisiana. How do we not have Louisiana already? How's that possible? Mississippi, South Carolina, North Carolina, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, Vermont, and Maine. We are definitely going to get a Maine, I'm sure. But those are the states that we have yet to cross off on our map. And those will be stories that will be coming down the pipe. So we have at least however many states that is left to do in our series before we maybe retire the series or come to an end or something. But yeah, we will finish the map because I feel like we owe it to our country to document at least one citizen of every state of our great land who participated in this horrible, horrible event. And they all deserve to go to jail. But they all deserve to have their story told, man. They work so hard for their story. Who would I be to deny them, right? Who would I be to deny them the story that they so worked hardly to get, you know? Bad decisions make good stories. So, this is definitely one of those times. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. If you haven't liked the video, why not? You should. And did you know for a mere 99 cents, you can support the channel financially? It's true. You can hit the join button and help to support the channel grow financially. We have lots of wonderful law content for you. We have stories all the time about all kinds of stuff. And if you subscribe to the channel, you get to learn all kinds of laws, and you'll be better educated about what not to do. Although I would think don't riot at the Capitol would be kind of obvious, but, we could cover the basics there too, just in case. Until later, my friends, I've been on Civil Law. Till later. Peace. Good night.